This is the HARFO Fingerprint Smart Door Lock. Mine is the color black. You can find a silver one on Amazon too. The best thing about this lock is that I don't need to use a key anymore. With my fingerprint and my passcode, I am not worried about being locked out again anymore. Now let me show you the fingerprint unlock. Place your thumb on the fingerprint reader. The lock verifies the fingerprint and either grant you access with a bluish green light or prompt you with a failure with a red light.
Door unlocked.
I noticed that it's best to use the thumb. It responds faster and more accurately.
Door locked.
Another way is to use the passcode to open the door. Key in your passcode on the touch screen and hit unlock. With the correct passcode, the door will be unlocked. The color indicator and voice prompt both clearly tell you whether access was granted. You can also unlock the door with this card by just tapping it on the touch screen. You get 4 cards in the package. I would most likely use them as a backup. The fourth way to open the door is of course with a key. You get 2 keys for your lock. The keyhole is hidden under the narrow panel on the door handle. Open the panel by pressing on the end of the door panel, and you will find the keyhole here. Use the key to unlock the door, just like what you do on any other conventional lock. Last but not least, I have a tip on installation to share with you. My front door had 2 locks originally. You can see the placement of the 2 lock holes in my photo. You will need to use the top hole to install this smart lock because the bottom hole might not give enough space above the hole for this lock. So far, I like this lock for its convenience and smart design. If you are also thinking about changing to a fingerprint keyless smart lock, give it a try.